Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about one of the more complex changes in President Trump's new tax laws, specifically what it means for high-income earners who itemize their deductions. Let's break down what's happening with the SALT deduction, short for state and local tax. The One Big Beautiful Bill temporarily increases the federal deduction limit for SALT. Starting in 2025, the cap goes up to $40,000 with a 1% increase each year through 2029. But in 2030, the cap drops back down to $10,000. That increase sounds helpful at first until you hit a certain income range. Here's where the problem starts. If your income falls between $500,000 and $600,000, you're in a phase-out zone. And this creates what some experts are referring to as the SALT torpedo. In other words, a steep, unexpected spike in your federal tax rate. For every extra dollar you earn within the range, you lose 30 cents of the SALT deduction. So if your income goes from $500,000 to $600,000, you lose the full $30,000 increase in the SALT cap. That means your deduction drops back down from the $40,000 to the $10,000 that is currently instated. The result, you may owe $45,500 more in federal taxes just by earning $100,000 more. Here's a simplified example. If you make $500,000 and subtract $75,000 in itemized deductions, including the $4,000 for SALT, your taxable income is $425,000. Now compare that to someone making $600,000 because the SALT deduction drops to $10,000. Itemized deductions fall to $45,000 and taxable income jumps to $555,000. That $100,000 increase in earnings causes a $130,000 increase in taxable income, resulting in $45,000 more in federal taxes. That's the SALT torpedo in action. If you expect your 2025 income to fall near the $500,000 to $600,000 range, this provision could have a serious impact. Tax experts recommend reviewing your projected income and deductions with a professional before the year closes. You may want to rethink Roth IRA conversions, selling off assets, or any move that could push your adjusted modified gross income higher during that year. This is just one piece of the new tax law that could affect high-income earners in unexpected ways. So be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay up to date on all there is to know about the One Big Beautiful Bill.